Okay, we're vlogging. Let's do this.
And darling, I will be loving you till we're 70. Darling, my heart could still fall hard at 23.
Are now going to a bush. Walking through. Oh, I'm tripping now. Walking through the bush again. Yep. Oh, the dead bird is still there? Oh, we did too. We are walking to somewhere that you are not allowed to know. Yep. It's pretty mystical. Okay, see you later. Bye. We're off again. Still walking. And there's Lazar. He's me. Woo! Well, that was fun. Woo! Another vlog. I'm getting on the road. Woo!
Just walked about 5 minutes. Got another 35 to go.
I think we're gonna make it. I think we're gonna make it. It's too hot. It's like 100 billion degrees out here.
No, we're not making it.
No.
Freddy Krueger's gonna get us.
We're nearly at the path.
The scary part's about to come now.
Yeah, the scary path. What do you have to say about the scary path?
I don't like it.
Okay. We'll see you at the scary path. Mr. Booer Boy, out. Thanks for watching, guys. Please like, subscribe, and please, peace out, brothers. See you next time.